Okay, so what we have here is a 2016 Volvo S60L. This is the Chinese edition, made in China, and this is the long wheelbase. So we have it from the insurance auction, and the has a damage in the front. That's how it came. I mean, okay, it came just this way, except that that front panel, I just put it in like that. I'm gonna remove it. So here it is. The condenser needs to be replaced. But other than that, there's no frame damage. The fenders needs to be repaired. Right here we have a new hood that is currently at the paint shop. We have a new bumper that is also in the paint shop, at the paint shop. We have new headlights. We have the hood locks, grill, and all other parts. So we're gonna put it together, and the this fender needs to be also repaired. And yeah, so here it is. It has 18-inch wheels, black onyx color. This is the inscription. All of these were inscription. And has power mirrors, the keyless entry, and this one has sport seats. Just like that. And this one, since its inscription, has this nice wood trim, and the also inscription here, logo at the bottom, at the rocker. So, and it has only 18,000 miles. So also here, the here's the center console. Has the navigation, has the since it's a long wheelbase, has the electric sunshade, has the sunshades in the sides. The but rest basically is the same, except this long rear doors, longer than the regular version, and it has the sunshades in the door. The we're gonna add these our design mirror covers, so it's gonna look more like the our design. The so here it is. Everything else is the same, just more leg room, and the again the inscription plates. So yeah, it's a nice car, and it was really cheap, because the it was won by for $6,700, which really is a low price considering the damage. So here we have the under the hood. So basically the impact was mainly in the hood, and the looks like the airbox is also broken, but we have already new one. Radiator is good. As you can see, the fluid is still in, and there's nothing wrong with the radiator. The intercooler is also okay, nothing happened to it. So the rebar also is okay. So I ordered that front panel that will be installed the right way. The headlights, bumper, hood, grill, some other small pieces, and as you see, no airbags were deployed. And we found a sticker in that car that for 25,000 and a half, 200 miles ago, was bought from a dealer, Volvo dealer. So somebody didn't enjoy it for too long, and the Volvo dealer, since it was there, they also put brand new battery. As you can see, it's a 2018 08 battery, and car is 16, so they already replaced the battery, and they put a brand new Pirelli tires. So everything has been done. It looks like the brakes are also brand new. The service says the 9,000 miles to the next service. So yeah, everything's all done. So we have to just fix the front, and it will be a nice car again. So I'm gonna make a few videos showing the progress, and at the end when it's finished.